Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Salt Morningstar recipe. This formidable Tier 3 melee weapon is a fantastic addition to your arsenal, boasting good damage, a moderate stun capability, and a decent attack speed. To craft it, you will need to gather some specific materials and utilize a workbench. Let's dive into the simple steps to acquire this powerful item. Your journey begins in the sandbox area. Head towards the prominent yellow shovel sticking out of the sand. Around 3:30 p.m. in game time, a shadow from the shovel handle will clearly indicate where to dig. You will need a sturdy black ant shovel to unearth the melted moat key, which is crucial for the next step. Be sure to time your search correctly for the easiest find. Once you have the melted moat key, make your way to the sandcastle located within the sandbox. Swim into the moat surrounding the castle, and you will discover a locked chest submerged in the water. Use your newly acquired key to open it. Inside, you will find the valuable water-logged recipe, which is the blueprint for the Salt Morningstar, along with a helpful milk molar. With the recipe in hand, it's time to gather your crafting components. You will need 2 salt globs, 5 shiny gem nuggets, and 10 pieces of tough gunk. Once you have all these materials, simply head to any workbench. There, you can easily craft your very own Salt Morningstar, a fantastic weapon that will greatly assist you in your adventures.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.